Analyzing market data, tracking option chains, deciding on the right strategy, and executing them on time. Derivatives trading can become extremely complex and time-consuming. What if taking strategic short and long positions could become much simpler? Introducing 5paisa's FnO 360, a trading platform designed specifically to simplify derivatives trading. FnO 360 offers an array of features that help traders make informed decisions quickly and easily. Let's look at some of them. Traders can select multiple strikes and execute them all in one click, streamlining the order placement process. Traders can view 2 different option chains simultaneously and transform it into multiple built-in modes, making it easier to trade across multiple expiries or underlying assets. The FnO 360 platform offers preset strategies that traders can execute with just one click. This saves time and simplifies decision-making. Traders can use multi-strike OI to analyze open interest behavior over time for multiple strike prices, and combined OI to determine market sentiment for an underlying asset. It provides valuable market insights through FnO stats, including future and option screeners, index contributors, and futures intraday build-up. 5paisa FnO 360 is the ultimate solution designed specifically for derivatives trading. Try FnO 360 today for a speedy and smooth FnO trading experience.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.